I'm Didier, the president of FAMP Gulf Coast Chapter, and today I have a special guest. I have Stacy Flanigan from Angel Oaks, and we're going to talk about non-prime, non-QM loans. What is that?
We allow, we'll do loans for borrowers that are one day out of foreclosure, short sale, bankruptcy, deed in lieu.
Wow, that's incredible. Yeah. And what kind of minimum down payment is it with that kind of program that you have?
We can do loans for people with as little as 10% down.
That's absolutely incredible. And what about the interest rate though when you have something like that? Is the rate a little bit of a premium?
We'll have start rates in the low 5s and go up from there depending on how recent their foreclosure or short sale was.
Now think about this for a moment. You're out of bankruptcy, short sale, foreclosure, deed in lieu, right? And you have the opportunity to buy a home. What is that going to be compared to a rent payment and a mortgage payment? Does it make sense? I was a little apprehensive at first. It took me some time to get used to it. But I got to tell you, one, no prepayment penalty. That means the borrower can roll out at any time. The other thing I like about it is before in the old days it had like a 2-year LIBOR. That doesn't exist. It's a 30-year fixed or a 7/1 ARM. You're safe until your time is up to refinance into a normal loan. What are the programs you have available?
We have some great foreign national programs as little as 25% down, and we'll do countries that other lenders won't touch.
Fantastic. Well, you know we're mostly stuck in the United States with our American lenders, but to have a foreign national to hit Europe and South America, that's incredible. But I think you also have some other great programs too. What about the self-employed?
We have loans for self-employed borrowers that might write too much off on their tax returns. We have a bank statement program, so we'll qualify them off their deposits of their bank statements.
I can't tell you how many people call me up that, hey, I'm self-employed, but I write off all my income. I'm allowed to do it, but I don't qualify. Think about it, 24 months bank statements, and you can get into a home.
Absolutely.
That's incredible. But I think you have something that you snuck upon me at the end when we were chatting about a jumbo loan. What's going on with jumbo loans?
We'll do jumbo borrowers all the way up down to a 500 credit score, mid-score.
So let's talk about that. Jumbo loans, if you go out to any lender out there, a minimum 720 credit score, some on the exception at a 700, and you can go as low as what?
500.
Wow, and what's the best rate for that jumbo loan if you had a credit score of?
640 or higher is going to get you the better rate, and that's going to be somebody 2 years out of a foreclosure or short sale.
I'm going to look at you builders, realtors, bankers, brokers. Are you not jumping on this program? Stacy, how do we get a hold of you? Well, I think I know the answer. We did this last time. Look down below. We have her name, her phone number, her email address, and you need to give Stacy a call and look at this new program. Again, I think it's a great opportunity for your borrower, and you got to look at it. Is the rent or the mortgage? Which one is better? And which one is going to get you there that's going to be cheaper? And then you have the opportunity, of course, to refinance at any time.
Absolutely.
Thank you very much for joining us today. I hope you learned something there today. And I want to say about membership, don't forget to renew or join for $50 FAMP Gulf Coast. Have a great day. Stacy, help me out. What do we have going on with your company that we can offer to the consumer out there today?
We have some great programs. We have programs that are falling out of the Fannie Mae FHA, excuse me, realm.
It's all coming
Wait,
together.
hold on. I need a water.
All right. Like one day out of short sale, one day out of foreclosure, and one day out of bankruptcy?
Absolutely. We're basically giving loans to borrowers that are one day out, satisfaction date, getting them back into a home, helping them reestablish themselves and become homeowners again.
Stacy's been drinking a little bit
All right,
today.
let's hammer it out a little bit. Whoa! All right.
My heel got caught in
Let's do it
the
again.
carpet.